Ayan, magandang araw sa inyo mga idol. Meron na naman tayo ditong gagawin ngayon na TMX 125. Lalagyan natin ng mags ng Rider 150. Ayan, ito yung motor mga idol. Ayan, ito lahat ng ilalagay. Mags. Bumili na si sir ng shock ng XRM. Dapat kahit yung stock pwede naman. Hindi daw yata niya alam na pwede. Tapos ito pang rear na master caliper, tapos master caliper harap rider. Gagawa na lang natin to ng bracket dito. Kasi itong flange pang smash pang rider pwede din. Ayan. Tapos ito papakabit niya natin yan apaka ng rider na aftermarket lang. Kasi ito yung iba pa. Ayan. Ito pang TMX pa rin daw. Inisa-isa niya lang ang pagbili. Tapos ito sa pang rider 38 teeth. Rider kaya talaga to? Hindi to rider siguro. Rider FI. Ayan. Dito naman sa TMX, kasi meron nito, sinabi ko naman sa kanya kung okay lang sa kanya, mapuputol talaga namin to. Okay lang naman daw kasi hindi naman siya lalagay ng sidecar. Ayan. Tapos dito syempre sobrang sikip kasi mga idol. Baka gawin natin dito yung katulad sa Wave 125. Yung dito nakalagay yung master. Ayan. Tapos dito na lang natin ikakasa yung apakan niya. Dito. Ayan. Ayan, dito kung hindi siya nagpalit mga idol, mayroon naman tayo ditong tornilyuhan na dalawa. Ayan. Pwede natin gawan yan ng bracket dyan. Dito nakatornilyo na hindi ka naaabot dito, hindi tulad ng ibang bracket. Ayan. Ganun sa ginagawa ko sa mga RS. Ang bracket ay dito nakasama. Ayan. Ganun lang. Tignan natin kung makikakabit natin to.
Town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day, it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I so easy to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up. You got one life to fall. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the plan now, feeling in demand now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Ayan mga idol, nakikabit na natin itong sa unahan. Ang gagawin na lang dito ay caliper. Ayan, yung bracket ng caliper mga idol. Ayan mga idol, dahil mas mataba ang ehe ng TMX 125 kaysa sa Rider Mags. Ayan, magpapalit tayo ng ehe sa likod mga idol. Medyo mahaba lang itong nabili namin, kaya puputulan namin. Re-thread namin para umabot yung thread doon sa tamang sukat niya. Tapos saka namin puputulin mga idol. Ayan. Ito yung motor mga idol. Papakita namin kung ano lang yung mga ginawa namin sa kanya. Ayan. Dito nagpalit kasi siya ng shock ng XRM. Ayan. Tapos yung bracket ginawa na lang namin. Ayan. Medyo mahigpit pa kasi bagong kabit lahat. Tapos yung gearbox niya XRM Trinity. Ayan o, nagbawas lang kami sa may shock kasi masyadong masikip yung sa TMX. Ayan. Ayun yung kain ng ano, pad. Makikita nyo naman, saktuhan yan. Tapos dito sa likod mga idol, nagpalit siya ng pang smash na plan sub, pang rider na sprocket. Ayan. Tapos dito sa kabila, ayan, makikita nyo 16.5 pa rin yung spacer. Tapos ito, nag-add na lang kami dito ng spacer pang isa pa. Ayan. Tapos ginawa namin tong stopper niya mga idol. Ayan, naka-welding doon. Ayan. Tapos ito yung pinaka-stopper niya na mag-aano sa kanya para hindi gumalaw yung caliper. Dito yung master, ito yung master kasi sikip ang mga Honda. Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan. Ito naman yung sa may master. Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung nagpapalit na din kasi siya ng footrest pang rider din para maging malinis daw. Ayan. Ayan, sa kabuuan, ayan naman yung kanyang TMX.
Thank you for watching.